Flymorton Wearable Non-Newtonian Light-Emitting Luminous Liquid, RGB, PYROELECTRIC EFFECTS MAGNETO EEG, EDS, Diamagnetic Repulsive Escape Actuator OOBLECK Body Armor Drone. The body armor ability OOBLECK materials to generate a temporary voltage associated with parallel magnetic alignment of neighboring atoms. High susceptibility to magnetization. The strength of the OOBLECK depends on that of the applied magnetizing field. METALLOID materials to generate an electric charge in response to applied force temporarily thickens or solidifies the OOBLECK fluid when a force is applied against OOBLECK compound. The OOBLECK metalloid compound fluids are pyro-magnetoelectric given an electromotive charge. Thermoelectric effects refrigeration of the nano compounds of OOBLECK. Low temperature cooling. Consequently, the compound material consisting of at least two dissimilar conductors, semiconductor and superconductor nano thermocouples, exhibits three-dimensional nanosolid compounds. Localized thermocouple grouped together alongside its surfaces. Two or more junctions without movements of the fluid are maintained at different temperatures. Nano thermocouple compounds that make up the conductive cooling. Reactive OOBLECK emission of light fluorescence and phosphorescence glows because it is reacting with oxygen in the air or UV. Reactive OOBLECK Seebeck effect. Reactive thermochromic OOBLECK cholesteric liquid crystals and oligomers. Multicolored photonic coatings with light polarization and structural color dependent changes. Metalloid color during heating. The OOBLECK diamagnetism is due to the presence or paired electrons in the material. This causes the magnetic fields of the electrons to cancel out, thus there is no net magnetic moment, and the atom cannot be attracted into a magnetic field. The OOBLECK antiferromagnetic materials have anti-parallel magnetic moments. And I forgot to mention the OOBLECK compound energy capacitive photovoltaic solar power cell magnetic transductor liquid putty non-Newtonian viscosity modulated electromotive Hertz liquid sodium acid charge, RGB, color OOBLECK displays body armor full body photovoltaic color cloning invisible wear thermocryonics light emitting liquid diode subject not limiting to additional system or structure potentiometric range inventor Flymorton design.